So yesterday taught me one of the biggest lessons in my trading journey so far. And here's exactly what happened. I did my analysis. There were all three setups, which was Euro, AUD, GJ, that's GBP, JPY, and Euro USD. Yeah. So I did that analysis on Sunday evening, and I was expecting market to open for me to take Euro AUD. And before the market opened, I don't know, I just slept off. When I woke up, it was already past 12. I just, okay, let me quickly check if the market has already got into my POI. Before I know, the market has already got into my, it has even mitigated my POI and they started moving. So I couldn't take that particular Euro AUD trade again because the market has already said and it has gone far. And it didn't even do, like, it didn't even give me re-entry for that particular trade. So I just, okay, since that trade I've already missed, actually, let me just focus on this GJ and Euro USD. So the GJ trade and the Euro USD, I was skeptical about the GJ trade. Reason being that people normally say that when GJ is selling, when JPY pairs are selling, USD pairs, that's the Euro USD, GU will be buying. All right. So I was not like, since I'm having a sell on GJ and also a sell setup on Euro USD, are you sure this trade will play out? So I was skeptical about it, and due to my doubt, I didn't take the GJ trade. All right, so I decided that okay, I was going to take the Euro USD trade. So that was on Monday of it. I'm not like, okay, let me check. It was on Monday of it during the London session. So I was like, let me check this GJ. Let me see if it has mitigated or expected my PY. All right. So when I opened the chat code, I was surprised. Like, I was really surprised that it respected my PY and it was now moving towards my direction. I was like, ah, jeez. So this is how I just missed this GJ trade, and it was a good trade. Like, it was just a clean trade, a clean winning trade at that. So after which I said, okay, let me just focus on this Euro USD. Since I've already missed the Euro AUD and I didn't take the GJ, let me just focus on this Euro USD. And here's exactly where it gets interesting. When the Euro USD trades triggered, I was on profit initially. So what I did, due to fear, I was like, okay, let me just break even in case anything happened. So I reduced my SL. So I reduced my SL back to entry, thinking that price may not go back up, like thinking that price just keep moving. Of which we know that candlestick does not just move in a straight line. There's always a pullback. You get, there's always retracement. So I was like, okay, for me to protect my capital, let me just reduce the SM. And that's how the trade started retracing, because I was just looking at the trade, like I was looking at every moves of that candle, like of the candlestick. I was watching the candlestick movements. So I got scared and I was like, okay, let me increase the SL. I increased the SL back to the zone. And like, you know, when price want to sweep liquidity, when candlestick want to sweep liquidity, you know that force. And it was coming with force, like in full momentum. It was coming with the candlestick momentum. I just decided to, like, I just closed the trade. Immediately I closed the trade, the thing started selling. God, it started selling. The thing was not selling. I was not like, okay, since this trade has given me proof that it's going to sell, maybe I will enter the trades when it gives me an opportunity for re-entry. So when the market sold to a certain point, it started retracing back. So I set re-entry. I set limits for re-entry trade, but it never got triggered. It got close to my POI and they started selling again. That's when I was okay. I'm not sure this trade is going to come back with it. And then I entered the trade. When I entered the trade, let me just say I jump into the trade. When I entered the trade, I got I got I got a little bit. I got profit. Yeah, I got a little profit. Though I was supposed to wait for it to eat my TP, but I was just so scared that since I entered late, me, I don't want this thing to come and eat me now. Fear was just my problem. Like, fear has been my problem. So I then did break even so that in case the price is retracing, it will not hit me out in loss. At least let the trade hit me out in profit. So I did break even, and then normally just like the way the market moves now, then EU started retracing and then hit my break even, but I was able to get small profits. So out of everything, out of the three trade, all the three trade, like the EU last hit my intended TP. It hit my intended TP. So I was not thinking, these trades, the GJ, the Euro USD, and the Euro AUD all went well, but I missed it. I missed the Euro AUD and the GJ. GJ, I missed it because of fear. I missed GJ because of fear. And Euro USD too. I was supposed to make good profit, but I also made a little profit because of fear. Also because of fear. Emphasis on fear. So after that, I was not like, I think I have to make, because I have a proper account, and I'm just I'm just thinking that, God, this proper account, will I pass this proper account? So someone sent a signal. Someone sent a signal. I'm not like, this trade look good. This particular setup looks good. Maybe I should just take it and try it out. So when I took the trade initially, I got a loss. I entered again. I just lost the profit I got from that EU. Not only the profit, I also lost small amount. So when I took the signal, I lost the EU profit plus extra money. Like I was not like, what was this? That loss of yesterday made me understand that there's always consequences going against your trading plan, going against your decision, and not sticking to your original plan. Not sticking to your original plan. Because imagine if I had taken those 3 trades, for instance, I would have made good profits. So fear limited me from taking the GJ trade, and also from leaving my SL where it was supposed to be for that Euro USD, and then probably I would have made good money. This is just a lesson I think I have to pay more attention to and work on, because I know most traders have been a victim of this particular thing, probably ignoring their trades and taking someone else's trade because they feel that person is better than them, like that person knows better than them, and then they just doubt their own trade, like they are just skeptical about their own trades. Most traders in one way or the other must have been a victim of this fear. They might have probably gone against their trading plans and their decision. So if you're a trader out there and you've overcome this fear, how were you able to overcome this fear? Like, what were the things that you did to overcome this fear? Is it that when you take a trade, you just delete the MT5 app from your phone completely, or you just stay away from your phone for quite some hours? Like, how were you able to overcome your fear?